Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a McDonald's drive-thru. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the drive-thru staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why was the first McDonald's drive-thru built? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, here we are, the drive-thru at McDonald's.
Wow, it's huge. So many things on the menu.
Yeah, take your time. We can look first before we order.
Where do we order?
See that speaker over there? We'll drive up to it.
A speaker? We talk to a speaker?
Yes, a worker inside the store talks back through it. You can't see them, but they can hear you.
That's a little funny, talking to a box.
It feels strange the first time. Don't worry.
Got it. What should I get? I haven't been to McDonald's in a while.
Let me show you some classics. That's a Big Mac.
What's in a Big Mac?
2 beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, and onions, all in one bun.
It sounds big.
It is. And next to it, that's the Quarter Pounder, 1 bigger patty with cheese.
What about that fish one?
That's the Filet-O-Fish, white fish, cheese, and tartar sauce. It has a soft, mild taste.
Good to know. What comes with the meal?
A meal comes with fries and a drink. Small, medium, or large.
Okay. And what's that one? Those little pieces?
McNuggets, chicken pieces. You can get them in 6, 10, or 20.
20? That's a lot.
Yeah, some people share them with friends or save half for later.
Smart move. Cold nuggets in the fridge for tomorrow.
Exactly. A nice lunch surprise.
That sounds nice. I'll go with the 10-piece. And what's the apple pie like?
It's small and warm. Sweet. Almost like a snack.
And the McFlurry? I see ice cream in the picture.
McFlurry is soft ice cream mixed with candy or cookies. Oreo is a popular one.
Maybe next time for the McFlurry. I'll add an apple pie too. What about you?
Big Mac meal for me. Medium Coke.
Got it. By the way, has the drive-thru at McDonald's always been like this?
Drive-thrus are a McDonald's classic. The first one opened in 1975 in Arizona.
Wow, that was over 50 years ago.
There's actually a fun story behind that, but let's order first.
Okay, now I'm curious.
I'll tell you later. Here we go.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get you?
Hi, can I get a Big Mac meal, please?
1 Big Mac meal. What size for the meal?
Medium, please.
A medium. And what would you like to drink?
A Coke.
A medium Coke. With ice?
Yes, with ice.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, I'd also like a 10-piece McNuggets.
A 10-piece. What sauce would you like with that?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. What sauces do you have?
We have barbecue, sweet and sour, honey mustard, and ranch.
Barbecue, please.
Barbecue sauce. Got it. Anything else?
Yes, 1 apple pie.
1 apple pie. Just one?
Just 1.
Okay. By the way, our McFlurry's on sale today. Would you like one?
What flavors do you have?
Oreo and M&Ms today.
I'll pass for now, thanks. Maybe next time.
No problem. And could I get you any extras for the meal?
Could I get extra ketchup for the fries?
Of course. How many packs?
2, please.
2 ketchup packs. Anything to drink for your friend?
No, she's good. She'll share the Coke with me.
Sounds good. Anything else?
That's it. Could you repeat that, please? I want to make sure.
Sure. 1 Big Mac meal, medium, with a Coke. 1 10-piece McNuggets with barbecue sauce, 1 apple pie, and 2 extra ketchup packs.
That's right.
Your total is $12.45. Please pull up to the first window for payment and the second window for your food.
Pardon? Which window first?
The first window for payment, the second window for the food.
Got it. Thanks.
Thank you. See you at the window.
2 windows? Why 2?
Faster service. One person pays, the next picks up. It moves the line faster.
That makes sense. So everyone has a job.
Yeah, most McDonald's drive-thrus in the US have 2 windows.
I didn't know that. In Japan, it's just 1 window.
Right. It's a small difference, but it makes a big difference. More cars per hour.
Smart.
Hey, by the way, does the Big Mac come with pickles?
I think so. Why?
I just remembered. You don't like pickles, right?
Yeah, I don't really like them. Oh no, did I order one with pickles?
No, you got the McNuggets. The pickles are in my burger.
Phew, good for me.
But hey, next time you can ask them to take out the pickles.
Wait, really? I can change the burger?
Yes. Just say, no pickles, please, or hold the pickles.
Hold the pickles? What does hold mean here?
Hold means don't add it. It's a way to say no at restaurants.
Oh, that's useful. Hold the pickles. Hold the onions.
Right. You can also say, no pickles, please. Both work.
What about other changes?
Lots of options. You can say no onions, no cheese, or even no sauce.
What if I want more cheese?
Easy. Say extra cheese, please.
Extra cheese. And does that cost more?
For basic changes at McDonald's, no. No pickles is free. Extra cheese might be a little more, but most small changes are free.
What about big changes, like getting a salad instead of fries?
Some stores let you do that, but you usually pay a little more. Just ask.
That's so easy. I'll try it next time.
You should, and the workers hear it all the time. They won't be surprised.
Good to know. One more question. What if I want to change the drink?
Same idea. Just say, can I swap the Coke for a Sprite? Or can I get water instead?
Swap instead. I'll remember those.
Good. Okay, the first window is right there.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great, thank you. So your total is $12.45.
Got it.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
Tap or insert?
Tap.
Great. Just hold your card near the reader for a second.
Okay. Done?
Yes, all set. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Do you also take Apple Pay here?
Yes, we take Apple Pay and Google Pay too. Just hold your phone near the reader.
Good to know. I'll use my phone next time.
Even smartwatches work. Same way, just tap.
That's even easier. Good to know.
Sounds good. Please pull up to the next window for your food.
Got it. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
That was fast.
Yeah, tap is the fastest way to pay.
I love that. No cash, no PIN, just tap.
Right, and the phone works just like a card. Same speed.
That's so easy. By the way, no tip?
No tip at fast food, just sit-down restaurants.
Even at the drive-thru?
Right, the workers don't expect a tip.
That's good to know.
When you go to a regular sit-down place, you usually leave 15 to 20% of the bill.
15 to 20%? That's a lot.
It is, but not at McDonald's. Just pay and go.
I saw a tip jar at some coffee shops, though.
Yeah, some places have one. You can drop $1 if you want, but it's not required.
What about the receipt? Did she give you one?
Yes, here it is. I always keep mine.
Why?
In case I need to check something later. Wrong charge, missing food, that kind of thing.
That's smart. I usually throw mine away.
Try keeping it for a day. It is better to check.
Easy. Now what?
Now we get the food. Here comes the second window.
Hi again.
Hi. Sorry for the short wait.
No problem.
Here's your order. 1 Big Mac meal with a medium Coke, a 10-piece McNuggets with BBQ sauce, and 1 apple pie.
Great, thank you.
And here are your 2 ketchup packs.
Thanks. Could I get extra napkins and a straw, please?
Of course. How many napkins?
A few would be great. Maybe 4 or 5?
No problem. Here you go.
And a straw for the Coke?
Yes, here it is. Sorry, I forgot to add it.
No worries.
Could I get you another BBQ sauce for the nuggets?
Yes, 1 more would be great. Thanks.
Here you go. Anything else?
I think that's it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Wait, you had to ask for napkins?
Yeah, in the US, you usually have to ask. Same with the straw and extra sauces.
Really? At McDonald's in Japan, they put everything in the bag without asking.
I know, it's different here. Some stores do put napkins in, but many don't. They try to use less paper.
I see. So I should always ask if I need them?
Right. Just say, could I get extra napkins, please? Or could I get a straw? They're happy to give it.
Easy. Could I get extra napkins, please?
Perfect. You sound great.
Thanks. What about ice for the drink? Do they always give it?
Yes, without saying anything. If you don't want ice, you can say, no ice, please.
No ice. Got it.
And one more thing. Always check your bag before you leave.
Why?
Sometimes things are missing. The fries, the sauce, or the straw.
Smart. Let's check.
Yep. Big Mac, fries, Coke, nuggets, sauce, apple pie. All here?
Even the straw?
Yes, and the napkins too.
Good. I would feel silly drinking a Coke with no straw.
You can drink straight from the cup, but a straw is better.
Let's park over there. I'm hungry.
Sounds good. Here, take your nuggets.
Thank you. And here's your Big Mac.
Perfect.
Wow, the fries are still hot.
They came out fast. Try one.
So salty and crispy.
That's why I love McDonald's fries. They're a classic.
My nuggets look good too. Soft and warm.
Try them with the BBQ sauce.
Oh, that's nice. Sweet and a little smoky.
Right? BBQ goes really well with nuggets.
How's your Big Mac?
Good. The special sauce is the best part.
What's in the special sauce?
It's a mix of mayo, mustard, pickles, and a few other things. The exact recipe is a secret.
A secret recipe? That's fun.
Yeah, McDonald's keeps it quiet.
I should try the apple pie before it cools down.
Be careful, it's really hot inside.
Thanks for the warning. Wow, the outside is crispy.
Yeah, that's the fun part of an apple pie at McDonald's.
Hey Sam, you said the first drive-thru was in Arizona. Why was it built?
Right, I said I'd tell you later. So it was 1975 in Arizona. There was an army base nearby.
An army base?
Yeah, the soldiers wanted to eat at McDonald's, but there was a problem.
What problem?
It was an old rule. The uniform was for work, not for sitting down to eat.
So they couldn't even walk in?
Right. They had to stay in their cars and order from outside.
That's tough.
So McDonald's said, okay, let's make a drive-through window just for them.
Smart move.
Yeah, that way the soldiers could buy food without leaving their cars.
That's actually really cool.
And it worked. The drive-through became a big hit. Now you see them everywhere.
So McDonald's opened its first drive-thru for soldiers in uniform.
Pretty much. The first one was for them.
I'll never look at a drive-thru the same way.
And now we're using it for our McNuggets.
Well, thank you, soldiers.
One simple problem, one simple idea, and the world changed a little.
That's the cool part of a good story.
All right, let's finish eating.
This was a fun trip. Thanks for showing me everything.
Anytime. Next time you order.
Deal. Hold the pickles. Extra cheese.
You got it.
And no ice in the drink.
Look at you. You're getting really good at drive-through English.
Thanks to my teacher.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why was the first McDonald's drive-thru built? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.